Hello children, today we are going to see the topic conservation of animals under Unit 2 Animals. Conservation is the protection, preservation, management of wildlife and natural resources. Conservation of biodiversity helps us to protect, maintain and recover the endangered animals and plant species. National parks. A national park is an area which is strictly reserved for the betterment of the wildlife. In these areas, activities like forestry, grazing, or cultivation are not permitted. Even private ownership rights are not allowed in these areas. The national park covers an area of 100 to 500 square kilometers. In India, there are about 73 national parks. In that, we are going to see about 7 major national parks. They are Jim Corbett National Park, Gir Forest National Park, Kaziranga National Park, Sundarban National Park, Kanha National Park, Periyar National Park, Gindi National Park. Jim Corbett National Park. It is located close to Nainital in Uttarakhand. Tigers are found in this park. Other animals found here including several species of deer, leopards, jackals, red foxes, black bear, sloth bear and monkeys. Gir Forest National Park. It is located in Gujarat. Asiatic lion in their natural habitat can be seen here. Other animals that are found here include sambar, chinkara, porcupine, wild boar and black buck. Kaziranga National Park. Wild animals such as rhinoceros, tiger, elephant, wild buffalo and swamp deer are seen here. This park also has bears, leopards and several species of local and migratory birds. This park is famous for one-horned rhino. Sundarbans National Park. It is located in West Bengal. The Sundarban National Park is a tiger and biosphere reserve on the Ganges Delta. Bengal tiger, saltwater crocodile, wild boars, foxes, leopard cats, huge turtles, and several other varieties of mammals and reptiles, along with a huge variety of local and migratory birds, can be seen here. Kanha National Park, it is located in Madhya Pradesh, was established as a part of Project Tiger. Apart from tiger, animals such as elephants, jackals, leopards, striped hyenas, monkeys, and several varieties of deer, including black buck, swamp deer, sambar, are seen here. Periyar National Park. It is in Thekkady, Kerala. Various species including the majestic elephants, royal tigers and fishes, reptiles and birds can be seen here. Gindi National Park. It is located at the heart of the Chennai city. It is a home to spotted deer, black bucks, white bucks, hyena, bonnet monkey, jackals, pangolin, and common mongoose, etc. Wildlife sanctuaries. A sanctuary is a protected area which is reserved for the conservation of animals only. Harvesting of timber, collection of forest products, and private ownership rights are allowed here. Tourist visit is also allowed in these places. In India, there are about 416 wildlife sanctuaries. In that, we are going to see 5 major wildlife sanctuaries. They are Kalakad Wildlife Sanctuary, Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary, Mundandurai Wildlife Sanctuary, Anaimalai Wildlife Sanctuary, Vedandangal Bird Sanctuary. Kalakad Wildlife Sanctuary. The Kalakad Wildlife Sanctuary is famous for tigers, lion-tailed macaque, Nilgiri langur, bonnet macaque, sambar, sloth bear, elephant, flying squirrel, panther, wild dog and pangolin are some of the animals found here. Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary. It is located in Ooty. Bengal tiger, giant elephant and leopard are found here. Elephant safari is famous in this sanctuary. Mundandurai Wildlife Sanctuary. It is located in Tirunelveli district. Major wildlife animal found here is tiger. Anaimalai Wildlife Sanctuary. It is also called as Indira Gandhi Wildlife Sanctuary. It is situated in Coimbatore district. Wild dog and giant squirrel are seen here. Vedandangal Bird Sanctuary. It is a very old sanctuary in Tamil Nadu. It is located in Kanchipuram district. It has many migratory birds like spoonbills, open-billed storks, pelicans, etc. Advantages of conservation. Species can be adapted to their habitat. Species can interact with each other. Natural habitat of the animals is maintained. It is less expensive and easy to manage. Prevention of cruelty of animals. Cruelty to animals, including capturing, trapping, poisoning of any wild animal collectively. There are many animal welfare organizations concerned with the health, safety, and psychological wellness of animals. They include animal rescue groups which help animals in distress and other which help animals suffering from some epidemic. Blue Cross. It is a registered animal welfare charity in the United Kingdom. It was established in 1897 with the vision that every pet will enjoy a happy life in a happy home. The charity provides support for pet owners who cannot offer private veterinary treatment, helps to find homes to the unwanted animals. Blue Cross of India was established at Chennai in the year 1959. It is one of the largest animal welfare organization in India. The main office is located at Guindy, Chennai with all amenities like hospitals, shelters, ambulance services and animal birth controls etc. Activities of the organization include providing shelters, adoption, maintaining hospitals and mobile dispensary and providing ambulance services. I hope you all have understood the topic conservation of animals. Thank you children.